Howard Aiken was a primary engineer in IBM who developed the first automatic sequence control calculator. It was capable to execute long computation automatically. ENIAC Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, the first general purpose electronic digital computer, was invented by John Moseley and J. Presper Eckert. It could add two large numbers in 200 microseconds. UNIVAC UNIVAC Universal Automatic Computer was the world's first commercial available computer designed by J. Presper Eckert and John Moseley in 1951. It was the first computer to handle both numeric and text data. It was also the first computer to come equipped with magnetic tape unit and to use buffer memory. Generation of computers. Generation in computer terminology is a change in technology a computer was being used. Initially, the generation term was used to distinguish between varying hardware technologies. Nowadays, generation includes both hardware and software, which together make up an entire computer system. It is classified into 5 types of such as first generation computer, second generation computer, third generation computer, fourth generation computer, and fifth generation computer. First generation computer were working during 1940 till 1956. Data input used in this generation are punch cards and paper tapes. Vacuum tubes are the main circuitry device, and data output is printout. External storage magnetic tapes. Language used in this generation machine language, assembly language. Examples: UNIVAC, ENIAC, ADVAC. Second generation computer. The period of second generation computer 1956 to 63. Transition are the most important circuitry device. Punch card and paper tape also used in this generation. Printout is the data output. Magnetic tapes, external storage device. Language used in this generation: Fortran, COBOL, BASIC, and IBM 14 and 700 series IBM 350 are the example of second generation computer. Now, third generation computer 1964 to 1971. Integrated circuit IC were used in this generation. Data input is keyboard, data output monitor, external storage magnetic disk, and language used in this generations: Pascal, Fortran, COBOL, RPG, IBM System 360, Apple I, etc. are the example of third generation computer. Fourth generation computer 1972 present. Microprocessor were used in these generations. Input keyboard, mouse, scanner, etc. Data output monitor, printer, speakers. Magnetic disk with higher capacity is the external storage, and language used in these generations are special software for maintaining large database RDBMS, C++ in 1985, Cray 1.5, Apple II VAX 9000 are the example of these generation computer. Fifth generation, present and beyond. It uses with artificial intelligence, optical fibers technology to handle artificial intelligence capacity to think and reason, understand human speech, recognize pattern like face and other complex images. Now I am going to tell you about types of computer. There are different types of computer with respect to size, speed, storage, capacity, and cost. Computer can be classified into four major categories. First is microcomputer, second is mini computer, third mainframe computer, and supercomputer. Microcomputers are small in size and less in cost. They are usually designed for personal use. They are also called personal computer. Mainly it is used at home, school, offices, shop, bank, etc. Examples: desktop computer, laptop computer, tablet computer, Commodore 64, IBM PC are the example of microcomputers. Desktop computers are designed to fit comfortably on top of desktop. Desktop computers typically come in several units such as monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse, which are connected to each other and work like a single unit. Laptop computers are small in size and can be placed on lap. These are battery operated and portable. Tablet computers are smaller and lighter than laptop computer. Common tablets have 7-inch or 10-inch screen. Tablets can be used to browse various tasks like listen to music, watch movies, play games, and so on. To start any application, simply tap on its icon. Mini computers are bigger in size than the microcomputers. They have higher processing speed and are costlier than microcomputers. They are capable to support 4 to about 200 users simultaneously. They are used in bank, universities and any other big organization. Example PDP 8. Mainframe computers are very powerful and big in size with large memory and high speed. They are designed to tackle huge amount of data. More than 100 users can use a mainframe computer simultaneously. These computers are used in networked environment. Mainframe computers are very expensive and used in large business organization, bank, railway ticket reservation, stock exchange markets, etc. Example of mainframe computers are IBM Z series, PDP-10 and System Z10. Supercomputers are most powerful computers which is huge processing speed. They are used for weather forecasting, space research, satellite control, etc. Cray 1, Cray 2, Param, ETA, 810 are the examples of supercomputers. Now your chapter is completed. Read whole chapter thoroughly. Read recap of the chapter. Learn fact file. Read and learn generation of the computer with its generation period, circuitry, data input, data output, external storage, language and examples. Thank you. Take care. Have a blissful and blessed day.